Hi, Graham from Kit A1P2. Just like to introduce a new range of products we just started to bring in from Your Health and Safety. Basically, we are bringing in some masks. The masks we have supplied in the past are being from a welding supply company, and they're designed basic for welding. They fit underneath a welding helmet and are quite compact. These other masks are your 2-pod masks, which have got 2 filters on them. These units come as a kit form, as well as individual elements to modify them to suit different sort of applications. So the main one we were looking at was the half mask Welders kit, which has got the low profile filters. Then we have the painter's kit, which is not suitable for 2-pack isocyanate paints. With your isocyanates, you should be using a flooded mask with an air breathing system. Last kit we bring in is a half mask kit for chemicals. This is the Welders kit here. They come in a plastic container, all sealed, so you can seal your filters and your mask and everything you need to keep it all fresh. Clip top lid. Inside we have the silicone mask, half mask itself. There are 2 inlets and exhaust. Now the exhaust is breathing downwards, so you have that reduces fogging, etc. Also in this kit we have the Welders filters, which are low profile, quite narrow, 1 for each side, and they will still fit underneath most of your welding masks. This is the painter's kit. It comes with the same basic mask, which has got 2 filters inwards, and it's got exhausting at the bottom, which helps to eliminate any fogging of that, or goggles or that sort of stuff you may be wearing at the same time. Also comes with the 2 pre-filters and the 2 main pods for painting. Now the main difference between this unit and the next unit is the pods themselves. So you can buy the basic unit for welding with the flat filters, or using the same mask you can use your painting filters or your chemical filters on the same mask, which gives you the versatility of having 1 main mask which fits it to you, and you just keep changing your filters to suit the different applications you may have. You can also purchase from these guys, they also have disposables. This is your disposable units. All these are packed in their own individual things, so you get a pack of 10 individually packaged units. These are P2 CV class protected for dust, mist, fumes and smoke. We sell them individually, come in a pack of 10. If you like any content along these sorts of lines, new products and that sort of stuff, like and subscribe to Kit A1P2. Thanks for watching.